Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are doing really well. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. I've said this before, it's a really busy time of year for me at work, and just, I mean, it's a busy time of year for everyone in general. So it's just been kind of crazy, and then I haven't been feeling all that great, and then my weekends have just been boom, boom, like, it just very crazy. Although this weekend, like I said in my other video, I did go see Mariah Carey at Madison Square Garden on Sunday, and it was amazing. I don't know if I've said this before, but I'm like a huge Mariah Carey fan. I've loved her since I was a little girl. Her music has gotten me through like really rough times in my life and everything. It's been like a constant, like, what's the word? Stable thing that's just like always been there. So I just really love her, and I've always wanted to see her Christmas concert. I've seen her in concert a few other times, but I've never gotten to go to the Christmas show. So I was so excited when me and my friend got to go. It was a great experience. I posted pictures and some videos on my Instagram in case you're interested if you want to see. I suck at videoing and I suck at taking pictures. I even have I have an iPhone XR and it takes like decent pictures, and I still manage to take crappy pictures. I don't pay attention. I just kind of like jump around and then I snap and then I put it down because then I want to watch. So I'm not like the concert videographer aficionado, as you would say. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. I was really excited. I actually met Mariah Carey about 6 years ago now. They did this whole thing on when Jimmy Fallon was doing late night, and they did this thing where like they surprised her fans. Like we all thought we were going to just listen to her new song and we were gonna like film our reaction, and then they were gonna like show it to her. And I was really excited that I was picked. I was just cool that I was gonna get to be on late night and get to meet Jimmy Fallon, and then like, you know, have her like see, because you were gonna get to like send her a little message and everything like that. So I thought that was cool. I fell for the whole thing. Like, I did not realize that she was actually gonna be there, so it was really cool. I'll link that video below. So if you think that those things are staged, I can flat out tell you they're not, because I didn't know she was gonna be there, and I was really shocked. It was such a great experience. She's so beautiful and so nice. It's still like one of those things that I can't believe happened, but whatever, because I'm such a spaz. I was such a dork. I was so excited. I was so excited. But anyway, before I keep rambling on about stuff like that, oh, look at my Mariah Carey pin. Isn't that adorable? I got that at the concert yesterday. It wasn't yesterday, excuse me. It was Sunday. It's so cute. It was my little souvenir. So anyway, before I keep continuing to ramble on, let me get into how I created this look. So to start off, I always prime my eyes, and then I'm just going to go into this green color right here from the Besame 1959 palette. It's just like a nice kind of like foresty green, and I'm just going to take that and apply that to my crease area and just going back and forth. So just like that, and then I am going to switch palettes. I'm going to go into the Winky Luxe Mermaid Kitten palette, and I'm just going to go into this dark green called Seaweed. And I'm going to apply that to like the lower part of my crease and to the outer portions of my mobile lid. And then I just want to take a blending brush and kind of just blend the two together a little bit. Maybe going in a little bit more with the lighter green. And then also from the Mermaid Kitten palette, to lighten up like my brow area, I'm going to go into this color Sand Dollar. Should have brought my brushes over so I didn't have to keep doing that. And then I do want to just like lighten up a little bit the greens. So I'm actually going to go back into the Sleeping Beauty palette, and I'm going to go into this brighter green right above the dark green, this one right here. Just on the same brush that I had the other green on. And I'm just going to apply it to like the top area of where like the sand dollar and the darker green meet. So like that. And then I'm going to take my finger and it's going to go into the color Siren right here, which is, I hope I actually pointed it out, this color Siren. And I'm going to apply that to the middle of my mobile lid, kind of where I left it open a little bit. Always because I like a little bit of sparkle, I'm gonna add this Colourpop Super Shock Extreme in the color Party Cloudy. I don't believe this is available unfortunately anymore. It's just like a yellowy, goldy, glittery kind of color. So I'm sure they have something very similar to it. It was from their Party release. I don't know, was that out last year? Oh my god. I don't know. I always forget that I have these and they're like really fun and pretty. And yeah. I bought the whole set because I'm like a sucker for sparkle. Such a dork. So it will go on just like that. And then I'm just going to clean it up a little bit with the brush that I had seaweed on. So like that so far. Okay, so I just added Urban Decay's 24/7 gel liner in the color Mainline to my waterline, and now I'm just going to take a small little brush and I'm going to go back into that color Seaweed. I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. And I'm going to make sure I bring it out so that it meets where it is on the end near the wing too, so that it kind of just seamlessly goes together. That, and then I just want to take a small little blending brush and just blend it out a tiny bit. So for a pop of lightness in my inner corner, I'm just going to go into this color Seafoam here on a small pencil brush. So like that. So this is the whole look done right here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought it was a fun green holiday look, you know, paired with a red lip because I love green eyeshadow and a red lip. I just love the way it looks. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face below, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you are interested in following me there. You don't have to, but you know, I do post pictures of all my makeup looks in between the ones that I don't film, and I post pictures of my pets because I think they are cute. And like I said before, if you are interested in seeing any clips from the Mariah Carey concert, they are on my Instagram, so you can go check it out. Once again, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. It's totally awesome. If you really like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. That would be totally awesome. If not, that is completely fine. I still hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll send you tons of positive vibes. So from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!